In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add timeline and checkbox in Notion. We'll start by creating a simple timeline directly on a page. On a new page, type the / and the word timeline. Then choose Timeline Inline. Inline means the timeline will live right inside your page, so you can write notes above or below it without switching views. The / command is the quickest way to insert blocks in Notion, and selecting the inline timeline gives you a clean, flexible way to plan. Next, plot items on the timeline by adding dates. Click on a row in the timeline and select a date range. This range places that item as a bar across the timeline, showing exactly when it starts and ends. If your work spans multiple days or weeks, set the full range so you get a clear visual of the duration. Short, single-day items can be given the same start and end date. Once you have a few items on the timeline, customize the view to make it easier to read. Click the three dots menu in the top right of the timeline. From here, you can adjust project lengths, show or hide properties, and change the overall time frame to days, weeks, or months. Pick days for detailed scheduling, weeks for sprint planning, or months for long-term roadmaps. Showing or hiding properties like status or owner helps you focus on exactly the details you need without clutter. If your tasks depend on each other, enable dependencies from that same three dots menu. Turn on dependencies to create links between tasks. Now you can drag arrows from one item to another to indicate order and handoffs. This makes it obvious what must finish before the next task begins, and it highlights potential bottlenecks at a glance. Let's add an easy way to track completion in your database. In a Notion database, click the plus sign to the right of your existing columns to add a new property. This creates a new field for every row in that database. In the property types, search for checkbox or find it in the list and select it. A checkbox is perfect for simple done or not done tracking. Give the checkbox a clear name, like done or completed. A good label makes your table easier to scan and keeps your team aligned on what that column means. Now use the checkbox by clicking it to check or uncheck tasks. Checked means the task is complete. Unchecked means it's still in progress. Combined with your timeline, this gives you both a schedule and a quick status indicator in one place. Thanks for watching.